Morning guys, today we are working on scrubbing the roof down so that we can collect rainwater. We had just put a coat under there and the water was so disgusting. We decided we should clean the roof first.
Yeah.
Crystal's getting a head start.
I need the bucket to pour on. A little wobbly.
Just soap, bleach, and water. We got 2 brooms. Ugh, disgusting. Guys, we are scrubbing the roof, making it clean so that the animals have good drinking water. It has never been done. It's pretty rough up here. Get it?
She's my kind of rain, like love in a drunken sky. She's confetti falling down all night. She sits quietly there, like water in a jar. Says, baby, why you trembling like you are? So I wait and I try, I confess like a child. She's my kind of rain, like love from a drunken sky. Confetti falling down all night. She's my kind of rain. Sunset shadows, she's like Rembrandt's light. She's the history that's made at night. She's my lost companion, she's my dreaming tree. Together in this brief eternity. Summer days, winter snow, all things.
Hey guys, I'm all done spraying the water jugs. Got that one and then those 2 done. Now we gotta get them set up. Crystal's finishing cleaning up the roof like you saw that we were doing the other day. We gotta put up some gutters and we'll start collecting water. Alright guys, we're hanging the gutters, setting the rain barrels up.
So I wait and I try, I confess all my crimes. She's my kind of rain, like love from a drunken sky.
Okay. So, alright, we got it on. We were gonna do the whole roof, but when she was washing the roof, she noticed that the whole building has a lean towards the back of the property, so all the water's heading back there anyways. There's no need to put gutters on this side. It wouldn't have done anything. Okay. So here is, all we did was 2 sections of gutter down into this. We realized we're gonna need something a little more sturdy. We didn't take into account the fact that it would weigh so much, but this is full. It filled in 2 days worth of rain. So this is for the goats and the donkeys so that they've got lots of water to drink. Yeah, the kale looks super good.
The cucumbers are amazing.
There's like, yeah, there's one down in there. There's a big guy right there. I saw that guy. I didn't want to move it though because I didn't want to damage the stem.
No, it's just looking.
There's another nice big one. Oh, we got another one growing here. One there. And then here, watch out. I'm gonna go in there and film the other side of the fence. Watch out, guys. And our cucumbers are making a break for it. We've got lots of sprouts, lots of flowers starting. I see 3 cucumbers starting on this one here. We got 2 right here. This is only 5 cucumber plants. Oh, we got 2 more right here. Oh, look at this. We missed these guys. Got 2 more in there. You see those ones? There's 2. And then, yeah. There's another one starting. 2 more there. I think the cucumber plant's one of my favorites, just for like how it grows.
Yeah, it's cool.
Alright, our bush beans. Our peas are not doing so hot anymore. We sprayed them down, or I sprayed them down with soap and water. And then it must have left a film and the sun just cooked them.
I think it's getting too hot for them anyway.
Yeah, this is our first year with a garden. I think we're doing alright. It's a learning curve. Yeah. Yeah, we can pick them later and...
I'm gonna eat one.
Okay. Alright, let's check our carrots. Alright. These are our carrots. And these are ready to harvest. But we've just been picking them and eating them as we go. You can see this one's got quite a few. This one might be a good one. Alright, so next year our garden bed is going to be more soil. So it looks like they grow down and then they must have hit the compost under there.
It's way deeper than that. It's just, we need...
Or get them in
soil.
sooner.
We need to pull them. They're done.
This one was grass.
That's weird.
Right,
Oh, grass.
yeah. Alright, the goats love the carrot leaves.
Yeah, they do. Especially Kira. You don't have your knife?
No.
Oh, that's
Yeah, she's doing that. We got our wildflowers. We've still got a lot of romaine in here. Here's our other mesclun that we planted. The spinach just attracts the bugs too much. Our corn has got to go in the ground. We've got some ears starting. And here, got 2 in there. These are real close to seed. We're waiting for them to bloom so that we can get the seeds out of them, because I really enjoyed this. Here is our romaine that's bolted full of aphids. Should be close to blooming. Yeah, okay. Hey guys, here is our tomato plant. We're starting to have a lot of tomatoes getting ripe. Quite a few back in there. Got way more to go. It's there. We've got some giant beefsteaks. Got a few down in there. Here are our pepper plants. Got some nice sized peppers on there. In there. Here is our cucumber plant. So we got one. Another starting there. We got 3 down there. Right there. We got 2 growing on the other side of the fence. And another one down there. Hi everybody. Welcome to our garden.
We are cutting off our first cucumber today.
Our first ever cucumber. We've never grown anything that has done this well before.
No, and it's huge.
Yeah, we're
And
very
I think
excited
it's
about
ready.
it.
Hopefully.
Boom!
Look at that thing.
Right?
It's got an umbilical cord.
Yeah, it does. Yeah. Yeah, that thing is huge.
I've never seen a cucumber this thick before.
Right? Me neither. Alright. We'll throw it on the counter and then we'll have it when we get back. Hey, good job. Right, and then the chickens can get some. Cosmo! Here comes Mooney. Alright. You wanna grab this net back?
Want to throw it on the board on this?
I can carry it.
I got all the compost stuff. Get it over here on this one. There's the
Well,
metal
yeah,
and the
and more metal.
oh, and then more.
Some of the babies.
Hi, Bubbles. Or should I say butthead?
Here, Gus.
Oh snap!
See if one of them wants an actual carrot. Well, you guys are voracious. Kira. Kira. Yeah, Clover.
We're
Look,
missing Riley.
she's got it. Oh, she dropped it.
They're being piggies.
Right. Clover, get away from there.
Well,
Lily, moon pie. See if Luna likes any of this too. Kara, you're dropping it all. You gotta eat the stuff you threw on the ground.
Or Stormy. Oh, she's begging me.
You guys, what's wrong with the stuff that hits the ground? Stormy. Stormy. Come here, girl. Emma, you're pig. Stormy. No. Alright, let's see. We'll try Luna and Betty and put some in Falcor's.
Yeah.
Alright, guys.